What's up, guys? Back with another video. So let's just skip all the intro and stuff and just jump right in. So you're probably gonna think, oh yeah, this is one of those Lego mocks. This is the 5th sequel. You're gonna tell us what it is. It's gonna be something. But no, I just decided to take a break from Lego mocks. I'm probably gonna make my video somewhere in the school week. But I just decided to take a break since we got this really cool product that we're gonna go check out today. So, close your eyes. No, you better close your eyes. Oh, you can't really see it though, but there, okay. So this is the Utopia 360 VR headset made by Retrack. So we got this from Best Buy. We got this thingy on Best Buy. It was actually $20. So fun fact, we got a Google credit for $100. So basically we can spend $100 and get $100 off a product. So we're thinking about getting the Daydream View, which is Google's headset, VR headset, and it's $100. So we can get it for free basically. And we found out that the Google Pixel 3a doesn't work with it, and we had to return it, which is why we got this $3 headset. Now you're probably thinking, $3? Wow, that's cheap, right? We got another deal. It's actually $20 and they're minus $17, so $3 headset. I mean, I'd do it. So let's just open this up. First, let's look at the specs in the back. It has a built-in action button at the top. Capacitive touch technology for maximum app compatibility. It works with virtually all smartphones. Has retractable focal length, lucid view lens system. It's powered by your device. It has a Bluetooth controller, a ventilated form-fit cushion, a sliding cover, and limitless possibilities. So let's just jump right into this. Open up the box. Oh yeah, we got this little teal thing at the top. I don't know what that is supposed to mean. Oh, get a little thing. So, you get a little sheet. It says if you're experiencing difficulties, no, use this. Oh, they give a list of apps that you can actually use for the games and stuff. That's pretty sick. That's pretty cool. You can use all these 20 apps and more, I'm sure. And they just give a recommended, like, oh, here's the recommended, right? Oh, this is a box right here. Okay, we got it out of the box. Nothing in the box. Let's just keep that to the side. And the black box. What's inside the black box? Obviously a virtual reality 3D headset. But anyway, I'm gonna let you guys see what's inside. What's inside, guys? Oh wow, this is kind of bad. Okay, let's just open this up. Whoa. This thing looks nice. Look at that. Let's take off the plastic cover. Yes, this looks cool. Look at that. So you got 3 straps. See if this fits me. Probably have to take off my glasses. Oh yeah, I can imagine this. I can imagine this. Wait, is there something in there? Okay. Wait. It said this is a sliding cover. How does that work? Oh, that's cool. Look, this is a sliding cover, so you can do augmented reality. There's a little camera. Okay, let's just take this off. How do you take this off? Action button? Oh, you did the action button. Okay. It's pretty cool. So I opened it up. Yeah, it's pretty decent here. You can actually change the lenses a little bit. Fix your style and perspective. That's pretty cool. It's really comfortable here. Excuse me. There's like this thing here. Oh, so if you have like wider eyes, like eyes farther apart, then you can change you can make them really small together or really big. There's a QR code here. I guess that'll take you to the app or something. Let's just unbox this controller too, or we're at it. I believe this controller, this controller needs 2 AAA batteries, but that's pretty cool. Let's just put this back on. Yeah, you can even switch to from Android to iOS, but this is super tight. Excuse me. Oh, that's so hard. So there's like 2 buttons right here. You can like shoot or something. This is a joystick. It's pretty cool. Power on. There's like an email thing and A, B, C, and D. Pretty simple controller if you ask me. What else is in here? Oh, does something break? Oh shoot, did something break? There's a little piece in here. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, did I break something? And they give a little cloth to clean the lenses. Wow, how thoughtful. It's like so soft. Okay, let's just look at the manual here. Wrong side, I believe. Yeah, I think it's okay. It's this way. Getting started. It has an implementarily adjustment wheel. That's the thing if you have smaller eyes, like more together or more far apart. Focal adjustment wheel. That's the side thing. The device holder. Yeah, that's pretty obvious. Device holder at the bottom too. Okay. Strap adjustment. Yeah. The app for the app. Okay, yeah, okay, that's pretty good. So it looks like you just used the Google Cardboard app. You're actually thinking with the Google credit of thinking of buying the Google Cardboard. But I mean, it's just a piece of cardboard and it's like, you just have to hold it up. So, yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's video. Just an unboxing. I can't give any guarantees on making a review, but maybe. I'm just saying this Android to iOS button is super hard. Maybe if to turn it on it becomes better, but yeah. I'm just imagining the future now. Like, I mean, this stuff is pretty old, but I can literally imagine the future like this. Like, this is the future, guys. Like, yeah. How do you... Okay, that's really confusing. How do you even... Oh, you just... Okay, anyway. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope you enjoyed this review. The Utopia 360 virtual reality 3D headset with a Bluetooth controller. Also, by the way, this works with Android and iOS, if I didn't already mention that. But, yeah, I'll see you on the next video. I don't know, I think the virtual reality thing can do it by itself.